Today I'm showing you how to make your videos look clearer and sharper using CapCut. Let's get started. Step 1. Create new project. Open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Select the video you want to make clearer from your gallery, then tap Add. Step 2. Duplicate your video. Your video appears on the timeline. Scroll sideways in the menu at the bottom until you find Duplicate. Tap it to create a copy of your video clip. Step 3. Move to Overlay. After duplicating, tap Overlay. This creates a second layer above your main video. Drag the duplicated clip so it lines up perfectly with your original video underneath. Step 4. Add Sharpen Effect. With the overlay clip selected, tap Effects at the bottom, then tap Video Effects. Step 5. Search for Sharpen. In the search bar at the top, type Sharpen. You'll see several options. Select Sharpen Edges. Tap on it to apply. Step 6. Adjust filter settings. Tap the adjustment icon at the bottom. You'll see a filter slider. Set it to 0. This removes any color filter while keeping the sharpening effect. Tap Cancel to close the effect menu, then tap the check mark to apply. Step 7. Match clip length. Now drag the Sharpen Effect clip to match the exact length of your original video. Make sure both clips start and end at the same time. Step 8. Adjust overlay settings. Tap on your Sharpen Effect clip to select it. Tap Object at the bottom, then select the second clip. Tap Overlay to access overlay settings. Step 9. Set opacity. Select your overlay clip, then tap Opacity in the bottom menu. Set the slider to 50%. This blends the sharpened layer with your original video for a natural-looking enhancement. Tap the check mark to save. Step 10. Preview your video. Play your video to see the difference. Your video should now look noticeably clearer and sharper with enhanced details. Step 11. Export your video. Once you're happy with the results, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your export quality, select 1080p or 4K for best results. Tap Export again to save your enhanced video. Additional tips. If 50% opacity looks too sharp or unnatural, you can adjust it to 30 to 40% for a more subtle effect. You can also experiment with other sharpen effects in CapCut like Sharpen or Clarity to see which works best for your video. And that's it! You've successfully made your video look clearer and more professional using CapCut's Sharpen effect.